Assalamualaikum. Today I and my group are going to give a talk about noise and hearing. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Rashidal bin Muhammad Shamsul.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Razikri bin Azizi.
Hi, my name is Muhammad bin OMAR.
And my name is Muhammad Azali.
Firstly, I'm going to talk about noise and hearing objective. Firstly, we are able to handle problem with hearing and noise. Secondly, an effect of hearing and noise to our body. Noise and hearing. For your information, individuals' hearing can be irreversibly harmed by high levels of noise at work. This is typical hearing loss that happens as individuals grow older. Hearing loss brought on by noise at work can be temporary or lasting. Sudden, extremely loud or explosive sounds from stamping machine, guns and work machine can bring about momentary changeless damage. The period of a time a person is exposed to noise is also significant. The guidelines for control of occupational noise 2005 by DOSH is intended as basic practical guidance to employer in developing noise control measures, thereby helping in comply with the requirements of the Factories and Machinery Noise Exposure Regulations 1989. The sound intensity or a degree of loudness is expressed on a logarithmic scale and measured in decibel dB. The logarithmic decibel scale runs from 0 to 116 dB.
The head effect to the worker is permanent hear loss. Secondly, temporary change in hearing. Your ear may feel stuffed up or ringing in your ears, also known as tinnitus. Thirdly, this short-term problem may go away within a few minutes or hours after leaving the noise. And lastly, permanent tinnitus or hearing loss. It also can affect your physically and psychology is stress. For example, loud noise can create physical and psychological stress, reduce productivity, interfere with communication and concentration. Secondly, contribute to workplace accident and injuries by making it difficult to hear warning signal. Last but not least is limiting your ability to hear high frequency sound, understand speech, and seriously impairing your ability to communicate.
There are a few noise control that we can get. First method, engineering control. Purchasing equipment with low vibration and noise characteristic and achieve design solution to noise problem, including using quieter process, design dampers, making mountings and coupling, and keeping sudden direction. The next method is location and orientation, moving the noise source away from the work area or turning the machine around. The next method, enclosure, surrounding the machine or other noise in the sound observing material, but the effect is limited unless total enclosure is achieved. Silencer, use of silencer can suppress noise generated when air, gas and or steam flow in pipes or are exhausted to atmosphere. Lagging, use of lagging on pipes, carrying steam or hot fluid as an alternative to enclosure. Damping, achieved by fitting proprietary damping pad, steel ribs, or by using damper skin construction techniques. Okay, the next method is observation. Observation treatment is in the form of wall applications, shielding. Panels might be designed for acoustic purpose to have a significant effect. The next, isolation. In acoustically insulated booths or properly enclosed control areas, coupled with the scalding of work periods will only be effective where there is little or no more for consistent entry into areas with high noise levels. Screens, an effective way to reduce direct noise transmission. Okay, the last method, personal hearing protection. Wearing of earmuffs or earplug at the workplace is regarded as the last line of defense. Engineering control should be considered in all cases. Area where personal protective tool might be worn should be identified by science.
Conservation. Herring conservation program try to prevent injury or caution herring loss. Preserve and protect remaining herring and equal worker with the knowledge and herring protection device necessary and safeguard themselves. Employers are required to measure noise evaluation to adequacy of the herring and protector in use. Unless study made at all, equipment and schedule a result in worker and other employer level that are less than 85 dBA. Research and indicated workplace and employment and effective herring conservation program at higher level to worker and lower intersection of habitation.
That's all. Thank you for listening to us.